As the sun rises over the pristine wetlands, we witness the sanctuary coming to life with the melodious symphony of diverse bird species. Purbasthali, situated on the banks of the Chupi River, is a heaven for avian enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Our documentary aims to unveil the unique charm and significance of this sanctuary, which serves as a crucial habitat for a myriad of migratory and resident birds. The air is crisp, carrying the earthy fragrance of the wetlands, and a sense of anticipation lingers as we navigate through the meandering channels of the Oxbow Lake. As we sail deeper into the heart of the sanctuary, the diversity of birdlife becomes increasingly apparent. A moment of hushed excitement fills the air as we realize we are in the presence of one of the sanctuary's majestic residents, the black-shouldered kite. As we draw closer, the raptors remains undisturbed, allowing us a rare and intimate encounter with this magnificent bird of prey. Gracefully wading in the shallows, we come across the striking figure of a black-winged stilt. This elegant shorebird captivates our attention with its long, slender legs and distinctive black wings that contrast beautifully with its white plumage. The air is filled with the calls of various waterfowl, yet the familiar sight of red-crested pottards seems noticeably diminished in number. They bring a sense of color and vibrancy to the sanctuary's waters with their distinctive markings. Changes in weather patterns, water levels, and food availability can influence the migratory habits of these waterfowl, underscoring the delicate ecological balance that sustains life in this wetland habitat. A delightful spectacle unfolds as we catch sight of the barn swallow on this crisp December morning. Our journey through the labyrinthine waterways of Purbasthali Bird Sanctuary takes an exciting turn as we encounter a congregation of waders, transforming the serene landscape into a bustling avian tableau. Among the notable species are the godwits, pintails, and garganys, each contributing its unique charm to the winter heaven. Amidst the reeds and overhanging branches along the water's edge, we spot the vibrant azure and orange hues of the common kingfisher. Perched patiently on a branch, this tiny jewel of the sanctuary awaits its opportunity, its keen eyes fixed on the water below. Our journey takes an unexpected turn when we come across a distressing sight: two common starlings entangled in fishing nets. The delicate balance between nature and human activities sometimes leads to unforeseen challenges, and this moment becomes a poignant reminder of the impact of such interactions. Responding to the call of stewardship, our team acts swiftly to free the trapped birds. We become acutely aware of a growing environmental challenge: the accumulation of water hyacinth. This invasive aquatic plant, though aesthetically pleasing with its vibrant purple flowers, poses a significant threat to the delicate ecosystem of the wetlands. The water hyacinth, with its rapid growth and expansive coverage, has begun to blanket parts of the sanctuary's water surface. This dense carpet impedes the natural flow of water, restricting sunlight and oxygen levels in the water below. Such conditions can cause a decrease in biodiversity, affecting fish populations, waterfowl, and other aquatic life that rely on a healthy and well-balanced ecosystem.
A lot of birds come here from the northern areas during the winters. Red-crested pochard, the osprey, northern pintail, gudwals, shover ducks. But this time what we see is like there is a decrease in the number of passerine birds which are here. We spoke with the local people and our boatmen, and we tried to understand the situation, that why it is less. So this is essentially the backwaters of the river Ganga, and the water flows in here, and they have made a natural canyon kind of thing here. But recently what they have done is like they have created one dam which is restricting the river water from flowing, and whatever water is left here is decomposing. The birds here have started to not come.
As we continue our exploration of Purbasthali Bird Sanctuary, we are delighted to come across a thriving and healthy population of lesser whistling ducks. Against the backdrop of the tranquil wetlands, these ducks create a picturesque scene, their distinctive calls echoing across the water. A buzz of excitement sweeps through the air, spreading like wildfire across the sanctuary and beyond. The star attraction, a magnificent osprey, has become the focal point of attention, captivating the hearts and imaginations of bird enthusiasts and nature lovers alike for many years now. Our cameras are trained on the lofty vantage point, capturing the regal silhouette of the osprey against the canvas of the sanctuary. A raptor renowned for its fishing prowess, momentarily gracing the sanctuary with its presence. A ripple of happiness sweeps through the air as the osprey returns, now adorned with a freshly caught fish in its talons, makes a triumphant return to the sanctuary. Our cameras hurriedly adjust to the scene with a sense of urgency as the osprey alights on the opposite bank, securing its prized fish kill. As we approach, the osprey maintains a regal composure, its talons firmly clutching the fish. The atmosphere in the boats becomes charged with a mix of awe and admiration as we witness the osprey holding a sizable and lively fish. His powerful talons firmly grip the wriggling fish, and our cameras zoom in to capture the details, the glint in the osprey's eyes, the vibrant scales of the struggling fish, and the raptor's unwavering focus on its catch. The osprey's aerial ballet continues as it takes flight once more, leaving its initial perch with the captive fish firmly secured in its talons. Our cameras follow the majestic bird across the river, tracing its path until it gracefully alights on the opposite side, choosing a bamboo shaft as its new vantage point. The bamboo shaft becomes a makeshift throne, and the vibrant colors of the osprey's plumage stand out against the rustic backdrop of Purbasthali Bird Sanctuary. As the osprey begins to enjoy its kingly breakfast, the documentary crew captures the intimate details, the precise movements of its beak as it tears into the fish, the glint of its eyes reflecting the morning light, and the satisfaction evident in its demeanor. avoided an awe-inspiring spectacle for nearly 20 minutes, it finally decides to take its leave, soaring gracefully into the expansive sky, beyond the reach of our eager gazes. As the bird disappears into the distance, a collective sigh of appreciation and gratitude echoes through the boats.
এই বছরে খুবই পাখির সংখ্যা কম আসছে। ফটোগ্রাফারদের বিভিন্ন ধরনের অনেক জায়গা থেকে আপনার লোক আসতো, প্রচুর জায়গা থেকে লোক আসতো এখানে ফটোগ্রাফাররা। সেই সব ফটোগ্রাফাররা এখন আসছে না, পাখির সংখ্যা একটু কমে গেছে বলে। এখানে কিছু সমস্যা দেখা দিচ্ছে। এই সমস্যা হচ্ছে আপনার যেরকম কচুরি পানা একটু ভরে গেছে, আবার লোক যাতায়াতের অসুবিধা। যে অ্যামাজন বলে জায়গাটা আছে, এই অ্যামাজন জায়গাটা লোক আটকে যাচ্ছে বলে চলছে না। আবার কিছু একটা বাঁধ তৈরি করেছে জলের ওপর দিয়ে, ওই বাঁধে একটা ব্রিজ করার দরকার, ওটা ব্রিজটা করছে না। এবারে পাখির খাবারের দিকে খুব অসুবিধা হচ্ছে বলে পাখি আরও কমে যাচ্ছে। তো এই যার অবস্থা হচ্ছে পূর্বস্থলীর মানুষ মাঝেরা না খেতে পেয়ে মনে হচ্ছে যেন এবারে শুকিয়ে থাকতে হবে, যেরকম ভাব। তা আশা করি আছে কিছু যদি সরকার থেকে কিছু সাহায্য করলে পারে, এর ওপর যদি ডেভেলপমেন্ট করে আপনারা আমাদের কিছু সমস্যা কিছু ভালো হয়। বিশেষ করে চরজাল এগুলো বন্ধ করতে হবে।
The urgency to save Purbasthali Bird Sanctuary is paramount, given the challenges it faces, including invasive species, habitat degradation, and potential threats to its delicate ecosystem.